Hey everyone, I'm Luke, and in this lesson we're going to look at how to use the verb wish. So before I begin, wish is a very complicated verb because it can be used in many ways. But in this lesson, I'm just going to show you the 3 most common ways. Number 1, wishes about the present. We use wish plus the past simple to talk about a present situation that you want to be different, but understand that it can't be. For example, I wish I were taller. I'm not that tall, but I would like to be. I wish I spoke French. I don't speak French, but I would like to be able to. I wish I didn't have to go to work today. I have to go to work today, but I don't want to. Here's a quick grammar tip. Notice the be verb in number 1 is were. This is common in more formal English. However, I wish I was is also very common. For example, I wish I was taller. Both are correct. Number 2, wishes about the past. We use wish plus the past perfect to talk about wishes about past situations. This is often used to express your regrets about a past action. For example, I wish I had studied harder at school. I didn't study hard and I regret that. I wish I hadn't spent all my money last night. I spent all my money and I regret doing so. I wish she hadn't told me her secret. She told me her secret, and I regret that she told me. Here's a quick pronunciation tip. When you're speaking quickly and naturally, it's better to contract the pronoun with had. Like in example 1. I wish I had studied harder at school can be I wish I'd studied harder at school. That's much more natural. Number 3. Wishes that show that you're angry or annoyed. We use wish plus would plus the bare infinitive to show that you're annoyed at something in the present. For example, I wish you would stop smoking. You're smoking and I'm annoyed by that. I wish it would stop raining. I'm annoyed that it's raining. I wish he would listen to me. I'm annoyed that he doesn't listen to me. Again, here, to speak more naturally, try to contract the pronoun with would. Like this. I wish you'd stop smoking. I wish it'd stop raining. I wish he'd listen to me. Okay, to wrap up. Wish is a bit complicated because it can be used in many ways, but the 3 most common ways are 1. Wishes about the present. We make this by using wish plus the past simple. I wish I were taller. 2. Wishes about the past, often used to express regret. We make this by using wish plus the past perfect. I wish I had studied harder. 3. Wishes that show you're annoyed by something. This is made by using wish plus would plus the bare infinitive. I wish he would stop making so much noise. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. See you.